you down. Gonna make it stay just fine. 이대로 모자라지도 넘치지도 않아. Cause I got my collection. 따뜻한 물에 bathe 향기 가득한 로션 촉촉해져 My cocoa bomb. Oh, I don't care what they say. I like it, I go la 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 la. I like it, I just want. Oh baby, say it and make it a day.
This week in software, we worked on faster auto rotate, different auto paths, and figuring out where to place our cameras.
This week, we finished the wiring of the MK5N frame. The Intag CAD is almost finished, and we also made a second and better version of the shooter.
In hardware, we revamped the shooter, started constructing the intake, and finished our climber. Unfortunately, we are missing some 3/8 rounded hex shafts, so we're hoping they come in soon. For the future, we want to finish building the intake and mount the climber onto the robot.
This week in software, we drove our MK5N drivetrain for the first time, practiced cycles and simulation. We finished writing our climb commands, and we created our elastic drive station dashboard.
I like it, I just want.